Sister?
You don't know how to greet, eh? They don't have that in your village.
I did, but you didn't answer.
Why will I answer? Such a demonic greeting. Is that how they used to greet in your family?
Sister, this is my room, okay? I need some privacy, okay?
Who with this one? And then shift. I know share. And you, it's not your greeting I used to add height. When you finish doing koi with your koi shoe, you will koi yourself inside kitchen and make yourself useful like a real African woman.
I can't deal with this.
Just...
Is it me that she's talking to? Deal with who? What do you want to deal with? Can you deal anything? They don't share. What do you want to deal? Hey,
Babe, wait.
Don't pursue high. See as it be, shoot from one man to another. Pio, waka, ooh, pio. See as it be. You have seen man with glory. Fine boy.